Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. If you're stopping by for the first time, smash the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with the videos and be part of the family. Make sure you also follow me on Instagram at ToxicSRT and also add me on Snapchat at ToxicSRT as well.
And well, today is an awesome day for me and for you guys. Everybody that has been supporting me, I just want to tell you guys, thank you very much. Right now, before we get into what the video is about, I'm headed to go pick up something, and I'm gonna show you guys what that thing is, and then we're gonna get into why I made this video and what's the reason behind this video. It's gonna be a pretty exciting video. So with that being said, let's hit the road. We are headed to West Hollywood. Let's get it. So I'm finally back and the traffic was crazy, but I'm gonna make this short. I'm not gonna make this video long. I just want to get straight to the point, and I want you guys to understand all the points that I'm trying to make in this video. Me and my friend Rush were talking, and I was asking him, like, what do I need to improve on? Because listen, I love doing YouTube. It's my passion. It's everything that I love, and I take pride in it. So I asked him, how could I improve on what I'm doing? What could I do to get ahead? What else could I do to improve my craft? Because I do want to become better and I do want to grow. So I asked him, and he worked for a company that kind of did film and things like that. And he told me, like, Ron, your content is pretty good and you know how to make content, but your production isn't so great. And I was like, what do you mean by that? And he was telling me how the quality of the video, how everything is edited, just the overall production. So when he said that, I was like, talk to me. What do I need to change right now? What do I need? I'm willing to invest in my channel, anything, so I could fix the current problem that I have. And when he told me that, I was like, wow, he really opened up my eyes. And I'm glad he did, because it's all about growth. It's all about getting better every single day. Of course, when you start YouTube, your videos are not gonna be the best. You're not gonna be great in front of the camera. Your quality isn't gonna be the best. Your production isn't gonna be the best. And now I'm at a point where I kind of understand what he means. And I'm glad he told me that, because from now on, I'm gonna take pride and time in pushing out the best content in the best production possible, and try to use everything I learned through this process, because he's gonna teach me how to kind of make my production a lot better than it used to be. So the next step, I was like, what do I need, Rush? What do I need to get? How do I get to that step of making my production a lot better than it used to be? And well, he told me, a better camera, a better mic, a better lens, a better editing software, a better everything. And well, you know what I did? I did exactly what he said. This conversation we had was a few days ago, and I take pride in my craft and I love what I do, and I always invest in my craft. This isn't just to make money. This is my career that I want to build, and I do want to invest in the channel. I don't want to just take money out of it and not invest. It's just like a business. You want to invest and not just take out money. I can survive without this channel, but I do want to dump money in this channel to make it better, to make everything better, the content, the production, and everything. So this is what I did. I used to use iMovie and Canva to edit my stuff and make my thumbnails. That's all free, and it came with my laptop. I did buy my laptop for about $2,700, so that was a good investment. iMovie came with it, and Canva is a free software. And well, now it's time to advance. So I went out and got Photoshop, Premium Pro. These are all editing software. So these are softwares that I can make my videos a lot better. The Photoshop, so I can make my thumbnails come out perfectly. And also, one last thing he told me, well, three last things he told me is better camera, better mic, and better lens. And guess what I did today? I went out and got just that. Let me show you guys. Got this mic right here. It says $230 right here. Then I got this lens. Let me see right here. I got this lens right here. This was $300, I believe. And then I got this new camera. If you guys don't already know, I was using a Canon G7X, which is kind of like a vlogging camera, but this is the next step to what I need to do. So I went out and spent $1,653 with tax on this stuff. Oops, I just dropped that. Just so I can better my craft. And I want you guys to know that I do invest in the channel, and I do want to make my videos as awesome as possible and as amazing of an experience as possible. So I made this short video to explain kind of what's happening in the channel. So I hope you guys appreciate what I'm doing. And I promise you guys from now on, the production is going to be a lot better. Now it's going to be a process because I'm slowly learning how to make my production a lot better. So just bear with me, and I promise I'm going to deliver awesome content and great production.
And well, with that being said, I'm gonna let you guys go. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with the videos. Make sure you also follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat at ToxicSRT. And I will see you guys on the next upload. Have a beautiful day, and make sure you guys stay positive. Peace out.